UNBOX Nation, are you looking for a nice slim magnetic portable power bank to check out that MagSafe capabilities? Then I think you're going to want to stay tuned and check out this video on this 10,000 mAh power bank from a company called Sharge. Alright, yo Skippy, roll that intro. Okay YouTube, this your boy Mark for LOOSESCREWZZANDVIEWS back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. UNBOX Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at this 10,000 milliamp portable power bank from a company called Sharge. Alright? But before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to my Heavenly Father God above and Savior Jesus Christ, who's our God. None's possible, but anything is possible as long as you keep God in it. Alright? And by the way, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit the subscribe button? It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. It's down there somewhere. Alright. Appreciate it. View Nation is your main man Mark. Back again with another video, and today we're going to take a look at this 10,000 milliamp MagSafe portable power bank from a company called Sharge. Alright. I'm going to give you some specs for the spec junkies real quick. And spec junkies, remember, I'm not an expert, just a regular everyday person who like to review new stuff I get right here on the channel. Alright, not an expert. Anyway, I had to get that out of the way because, you know, hey, them spec junkies come get you. They be coming after you in the comment section. But anyway, this is the Sharge AeroMag Magsafe portable charger, 10,000 milliamp magnetic power bank with 15 watt Q2 fast charging. Alright. It's perfect for iPhone 17, 16 Pro, 15, etc. etc. You know how it goes. Let me give you some more specs for the spec junkies down here. Let's see here. It said to charge faster with the 15 watt Q2 certified AeroMag battery pack. Boy, they got so much stuff in here. It says let's see here. It has 20 watt two-way wired fast charging and up to 20 watt fast input and output. Alright, fast charging for your smartphone, ultra fast recharging, saves time and ensures you get always ready to go. So it not only charges up your phones real quick, it also doesn't take long to recharge it. Alright, but we're gonna check that out in a minute. Alright, it says stay safe, featuring a high conductivity graphite, basically the GaN technology. Alright, trying to keep it nice and cool and everything. Dissipate the heat. So you know, won't get so hot and enjoy a cooler, safer charging. All right, powerful magnetic force. So it's supposed to have a real strong magnet on here. It says snap on with instantly locks with an advanced N52 magnet array. Not sure what that N52 magnet array is, but that's what they're saying on the website. All right. The battery pack offers a perfect alignment and secure hold. So they're basically telling you once you put it on there, you ain't got to worry about it falling off. You know, like some of them other power banks out there, them cheaper ones that's got weak batteries in them. All right. It says it's gentle on your phone, strong grip, also soft to the touch surface, and your device it protects your device's glass while enhanced with grip for secure, shake-free connection. All right. Let's see. What anything else on here? Don't even see anything else, but except the 15 watt, you know, full speed charging, 10,000 milliamp all day power. Okay, yeah, I think I got the basics. All right, so we already so many minutes in this video. So here it is right here. All right, as you can see right here, some of the information right here. It's got the AeroMag 10,000 milliamp, and it says 20 watt max recharge. Let's see here. Open it up. I like this presentation, how they got it like a book. All right, showing you some information right here. Let's see what is this information says right here. It's just telling you power display, power button, and USB-C cable in and output. All right, you can charge two devices. Well, it says two devices can be charged at the same time. All right. That's what I was reading right here inside the pamphlet right here, down here at the bottom. All right, so let's go ahead and get this out of the box. I think it's let me see what colors this one comes in. It only comes in, looks like it's okay. It comes in a starry black, and they have a 5,000 milliamp magnetic power bank like this one, but it comes in starry black, and then it comes in a sky blue. Man, it would have been nice to get the sky blue one, but this is fine. This would probably match my iPhone, you know, 15 Pro Max. It'd be better. But anyway, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy out. Well, here's some information on the back. So if you want to pause this and read it for yourself, all right. So let me go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. Oh, what is this on the side? Moving so fast. Compact design, multi protection. All right, that's basically what they got on the side, and nothing over here. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. Enough talking. Let's see here if I can get it out. Oh, got to tear the box. Going into beast mode. Got to tear the box up. Didn't want to do it, but here's what it is. Throw the box with nothing else on the box. I don't think it had no charging cables on there. Or at least I didn't see anything in the box. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out. Wrapped in plastic. All right. And you got your little instruction booklet right here. All right. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see here. I guess you could check this out. Usually, if you get one for yourself, you can pause this and read it for yourself. All right. Not sure if you can really read this. I'm trying to get it. I got some funky lighting going on right now, but anyway. All right, I'm gonna put that to the side. And here is the power bank itself. Nice and slim. Where is my, okay. I had to look for my tape measure, all right? So let's see what the size of it is. We're looking at about 4 inches. All right, you see that, about 4 inches? And well, that magnet is strong because it didn't want to let go of the tape measure. And we're looking at about 2 3/4. All right, 2 3/4. Let me turn this around where you guys can see it better. About 2. Get it straight. 2 3/4. All right. So not that really big and really far as thickness. It might be a 1/2 inch thick. All right, it's nice and slim and portable. It fits in your pocket perfectly. You ain't got to worry about, a big bulge in your pocket or whatever. But here we go. You got some LED lights right here showing you. Well, it looks like it's changing colors in the light. But anyway, it got some. This is got the little Charge branding on there. And they got the little LED lights down here letting you know the battery percentage. I would have loved to see LED screen because I'm getting more and more into these power banks that got the LED screens that actually give you a digital readout so you can tell you how much juice you got left. I like those, but it is what it is. And this is at a decent price. So it's under $100, and I think at the time of the video, it's on sale for Black Friday for $49.90. But prices go up and down, so don't just because I said what the price is now, it could be you watching this video sometime in the future. It might be way more, it might be cheaper. But anyway, yeah. Then you see the pricing. So it's not going to break the bank, and you got 10,000 milliamp of power. So this should be able to charge. I say it'll be able to charge this iPhone 15 Pro Max, maybe twice, depending on how much juice is left in here. So you can this will probably get you at least 2 charges. I would say in my experience on these 10,000 milliamp. But I don't really, a lot of times I don't let my batteries get down to completely empty. I try to catch them at 20%, because I want to kind of preserve the battery life. Don't know if that really helps, but that's what I heard. Could be wrong. If I'm wrong, leave it in the comment section. Tell me, is it okay to let the batteries go down to 0%, or is it better to keep them, to preserve them, to keep them from going to totally zero, keep it like 10 to 20%. But anyway, that's what I do with my larger, big portable power stations. But anyway, let's see here. You got your USB-C in and out charging slot right here. Let me see. Yeah. All right. I don't know if you can read that right there. All right. Let's see what else we got. Where's the power button? Oh, power button is right there. Nice slim design. So let's go ahead. Let me see how fast is it going to charge my old Samsung Note 20 Ultra. I know it's a dinosaur, but hey, I wanted to get the Samsung, was it Flip? Not the Flip, but the new Fold, the Galaxy Fold, but it didn't come with an S Pen support, so I kind of passed on that. So I'm trying to wait, be patient with Samsung, see, what the next Fold gonna come out with, if it's gonna come out with a S Pen anyway before I upgrade. But right now, this Note 20 Ultra still running strong. I mean, ain't had no problems out there. So but it is a dinosaur. I got this in 2020. But anyway, enough of that. I ramble all day long. We're talking about this power bank, all right? So let me go ahead and click it on. All right, shake it. It is not coming off. And let's see here. I don't even know how much juice we got on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and click it on. See, okay. Wireless charging. Let me see how much juice this one got. It's only got two bars on there, so it's going to need to be charged up. So let me make sure this does fast charge. Nope. Now wait a minute. Now I've noticed on some of these newer power banks that's got the Qi 2 certification. On the older phones like this one, they a lot of times they don't do the fast charge for some strange reason. I'm gonna have to do some digging on that and find out why is that. But anyway, you see right here it's charging. I'm gonna try to take it off again and see if it'll go ahead and do fast charge. Nope, not doing fast wireless charge. Okay. Move it around, because sometimes you move it around and put it back, it'll do it. Nope, still just doing regular charge. But you got to figure, this is an older phone. So this phone now is like, it's 2025 now at the time of this video. So this phone is about 5 years old. Yeah, so maybe that's the reason. But let's see right here. Put it on the, bam. Charge it up, no problem. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So you can see it's charging. All right. It's got a YouTube notification. But anyway, all right. But what I want to see is if you can charge, if it really can charge multiple devices at one time. So I got a 100-watt cable right here. So I want to go ahead and plug it into the power bank itself. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug it into my Note 20 Ultra and see what kind of charge we get out of it then. Just regular charge. So when you're charging two devices, you're just gonna get regular charge. So I'm gonna take this, take that off the iPhone 15, and I'm gonna undo it, and I'm gonna plug it back in, and see if we get some super fast charge. Nope. Well, wait a minute. Hold up. Okay, there we go. We got fast charge. Fast charge, not super fast charge, but fast charging. That's good enough for me. As long as it's fast charging, it's good enough for me. So one device with the wire, it'll charge up, do fast charge. But with two devices at one time, you're only gonna get, you only get regular charge. All right. So that's decent. But what I also want to do, I want to see if it does pass-through charging. So what I'm going to do is we'll go ahead and put it on here and plug this into a power source over here. All right, move this out of the way. All right, we'll plug it into a power source. Let's see here. Bam. All right, stop charging. Bam. Wireless charge. All right, so it does do pass-through charging. So you can be charging up your phone, your device, and charging up the battery at the same time. See, as you see the light blinking down there, it's actually charging. This pretty cool. This pretty cool. Yeah, this is pretty cool. And like I said, it's small enough to fit in your pocket, and you ain't got to worry about having no big bulge in your pocket. So this is the perfect size for travel, and I'm pretty sure this will, it'd be all right to take on a plane as well, because I think certain big power banks you can't take over a plane. I think it's over 25 milliamp, 25,000 milliamp or more or something like. Don't quote me. I mean, I could be wrong. I don't know, but it's a limit on certain size power banks that you can take on aircraft. So. But this one should have no problem. It's 10,000 milliamp. You have no problem. And this one, like I said, small. And the pad on the back, when they were saying that it'll protect your phone, it's like some kind of rubbery material, So it's so you ain't got to worry about scratching over your phone like I did this one. Like you see the cracks on the back of him. That's not the case. That's my actual the back of the phone, the glass on the back of the phone crack. But this, with this rubber, I wouldn't worry about, just kind of hurting it, because sometimes, you slap these bad boys on there hard, and, might mess something up. But in any case, it's got that rubber right here, protection right there. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below, where you get more detailed information on it. Because I mean, this, during this season, a lot of people are traveling back and forth, for the holidays. This would be perfect, to keep with you in your pocket, when you're out and about, to keep yourself juiced up. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information. And once again, this is the Sharge AeroMag Magsafe portable power bank. All right, keep you juiced up. Whatever, as long as you got a phone that's got wireless capabilities, you're good to go. iPhone 15 Pro Max, bam, charging no problem. Look at that. All right, perfect to keep in the EDC bag. But that's all for this. I mean, it's just a power bank. There's not much I can really say about it, but you know, it's a power bank. All right, got a little information on the side. But I appreciate everybody taking out the time to check out this video. I know this has been a little quick video, just rushing through things. The holidays coming, trying to get everything done before, you know, all the festivities. So yeah. All right, I figured I wanted to get this video out because a lot of people are traveling. A lot of people are going to need, you know, some portable power with them while they, you know, traveling the highways and the airways. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, link in the description box below. But I appreciate everybody taking out the time to check out this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. It's free, don't cost anything, and you will be helping somebody out. So you can, you know, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, so they can see this cool stuff like this in the channel and cool stuff like this on the channel. All right, I'm working on the video for this right now. All right, but and like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Let's see here. The message for today. I'm trying to think. What's the message for today? Be accountable for your actions. And you're like, Mark, well, here you go. What you talking about now? Well, there's a lot of people out here, you know, they always want to, you know, they don't take accountability, you know, for the things they do. They always want to put it off on everybody else, says everybody else's fault for this or that. You know, be accountable. I mean, you know, yeah, you know, something go on, and you you kind of scared to, you know, fess up and to be accountable for, you know. But you gotta remember, bad times don't last that long. Things don't stay the same all the time. You know, you just deal with the little consequences right then, and then go about your business. That's a lesson learned. But you know, don't be that person that put it on everybody else. Like, you know, hey, oh well, it's everybody else's fault. It ain't nothing my fault. You know, people like that, man, they are exhausting. They are exhausting. So the message for the day is basically, be responsible and don't put off your responsibilities, and don't put everything on everybody else, making it look like everybody else's fault. All right. I know I'm all over the place, but I'm trying to rush through these videos for the holidays. All right. This has been your main man, Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, baby, and we out. Peace. Now we gotta juice it up.
Yeah. We ain't gotta get it back right away. Have it figured out right away. We just trying to see the light of day. Stop signs in a right away. You can leave if you got to. If you reach, I'ma catch you. Who am I to deny you? Knowing I broke it off, oh Lord, yeah. We're still in love.